So there is a lot of TikTokers and YouTubers out there making videos about how you can make all this money just by being a website tester. All right, so I've talked about this in several videos, but a couple months ago I put out a video talking about one particular company that I see a lot of people talking about, and that's called Trimata. All right, so Trimata is a company I signed up with a few months ago, and I talked about, like a month later, I did a video after I signed up talking about how I got very few, or if any, invitations to get paid for testing the website, right? So I'm doing this video now because a few days ago, actually, I check my email like 30 times a day, and I got an email from Trimata. And I said, who the hell is Trimata? Because I forgot, you know what I'm saying? Like, I forgot I even signed up with them. But I looked at it and it says, hey, you got a website testing invite. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I clicked on it, opened it up, I read it. It says, hey, your profile matches, you qualify to test this website. But, a lot of people qualify for this, so you need to take this test soon as possible because it's first come, first serve, right? We only got so many spots, to take this website, to do this website testing, right? And then it says how much you would get paid if you actually take the test. And it was $5, right? And at that point, which I'm not trying to be a website tester anyway, but it just proved my point that I made in previous videos. Like, listen, website testing is legit. Like, it is a real thing. You can actually make real money, but you ain't gonna make no real money, right? And it's not, website testing is nothing that you can look at and say you do part-time. It's nothing damn sure you ain't gonna say you do it full-time. Website testing is literally extra cash. You want to call that fast food cash, right? That's like at the end of the month, after taking after doing some website testing jobs, you might have $20, $30. Go get something from Wendy's or Burger King or whatever your spot is, right? Because first of all, I didn't take the test, and I actually got another invitation like the next day for another website testing job. I believe it might have been the same one, right? But if it was a different one, it still said you would get $5 for that, taking that test, right? Doing that website. There was another invitation, a separate one, and I did both of them. Just say I did. And I would have spent maybe 20 to 40 minutes doing both of them together. I would have made $10. I put up two fingers. I would have made $10 in like 3 months of being a member of Trimata. I would have made $10. Now, ask yourself, like, is that worth it? You know what I mean? Like, it's only worth it if, like I said, you really enjoy, testing websites. You really enjoy helping companies get better and all that. And you bored as hell. And, you just want some extra cash that you maybe buy some scratch off tickets or buy some fast food or something like that. But other than that, all these videos talking about, man, you can make $100 a day testing websites. No, you can't. You can make $1,000 a month just by testing websites. No, the hell you can't. And that's nothing that, you can't even control, because like I said, these companies, they send you a certain amount of invitations. You know what I'm saying? You can sign up all you want, but if they don't send you opportunities to take these tests, then you're not gonna make money. Now, one thing I will say on a positive note, if you really do want to try to be a website tester and make some side cash, I would recommend finding the top five paid website testing jobs out there. Right? Did that even make sense? Find the top 5 website tester sites out there that pay, and sign up with them, and then hopefully you can at least maybe do 2 tests maybe a week, right? And you might earn $50 to $100 at the end of the month, maybe. And that's me being like super positive. But other than that, website testing is not like a real way to earn some significant cash online. It is legit, but it's nothing that's gonna get you super paid. Hey, but that's just my opinion. Now damn that that's the reality. You're not gonna make a lot of money as a website tester.